So I asked my boss, and he asked the higher management, but due to company restructuring, I was told no. So my husband told me that I should file for my resignation. I was not prepared for that change. That's why I felt all the words Prophet Alex mentioned earlier. I wasn't ready for that yet, but I have to obey and submit to my husband. And so with a heavy heart, I started to work my resignation letter. I was so emotional, like my resignation letter is so long. It's like I was going through a breakup. I was really seeking. Really, that's how I felt. I really love my job and the environment. So I already know that I need to have a faith. But like a child, I was looking for a father's comfort and assurance to tell me that it's going to be okay. I need to hear directly from him. I was talking and pleading to him like a friend and kept asking him if it is his will. So I was finding it in my quiet time, but there was no confirmation. So I said, okay Lord, tulog na lang natin to. I'm just going to sleep. And as I was about to sleep, you know, little browse in the social media, TikTok, the first video that flashed was a Christian podcast. And it says, if you're going to do anything big, and anything challenging, and anything worth having, and anything that is going to grow you, you're gonna have to do it scared. And that's how I am feeling that time. I was so scared. It has to be scary. And if it's not scary, it might not be big enough, because uncomfortable things are scary. Like if God calls you to do something, He will equip you to do it. I remember this being mentioned from the last preaching by Apostle Carol.